Hello my dear friends, welcome to Recyclebintech channel. Today we are going to see PlayStation 5. In this we are going to see how to remove all those covers and clean the fan and apply heatsink paste. Like these things we are going to see, and you can see two USB ports, internet socket and HDMI port and power supply, and we can see on the side full of dust, even the top side also. So you can see in this all this corner like a little brownish color because of this dust inside. We have to clean that fully, and let us see how we are going to remove the side cover and clean all those things. We'll see step by step. Now we have to remove the stand. This is an PlayStation holder. Just we can remove simply. It's not there will not be tight. You can remove by hand itself, or you can use the flat screwdriver. And you can see some model that's regarding this PlayStation. Let's see model number and everything is here. And let us see how we are going to remove this side cover. First of all, we have to hold our hand here, and another side we can see the logo of PlayStation. Just pull towards upside. While you pull towards upside, just again pull it towards downside, and while you do it like that, the top cover will remove very simply. Means you don't want to pull it like towards upside with a big pressure and everything, and there is no any screws over there. It's very easy to remove, and we can see the fan, everything it's in full of dust. Okay, now we are going to see how to remove another side of this cover. You can see the CD drive, DVD drive over there, and same like this we are going to hold another downside and pull towards upside. This corner means right side corner, and hold in the down part, and same pull towards upside the right side corner and pull towards downside. It's very easy to remove. Now we have removed that one. After removing that, you can see the fan full of dust. We have to remove this fan and clean it, and there is inside small layer. We have to remove one by one. Just we remove the 4 screws, and that is an M.2 socket. This is the fan connector. All those screws we have to remove, and then we can see the sticker, and the sticker inside also there is one screw. Let me remove one by one. You can use like a flower, like a screwdriver. It's very easy to remove. Don't use another any screws for removing. And in this video I'm removing all those screws, and that side you can see in small like a like U shape. That's little. For when we go little front side, I will show you how to remove this one. But before that, I have removed all those screws, and I will show you how to remove that. It's very easy. Just pull it towards upside. That when the U bend is there, no, just give a little, give pressure, no need more, just pull towards upside. Now we have removed this fan, and again we have to remove all those screws. I have removed everything because I'm holding the camera with one hand. That's why you can see I had said just remove like that. Here also there will be 2 screws, and there is no much dust, but it's better to clean at least 6 months or 1 year, because it will be in overheat. This is an DVD drive. It's an power for that one, and this is for data. While removing that ribbon cable, you have to be very careful. And this is for Wi-Fi. Just we are going to disconnect the 4 wires. Then only we can remove the motherboard, because we have to see if there is any dust inside, and the heatsink paste is available or not. If it's not, we have to apply the heatsink paste. In this we are not we are going to use a normal heatsink paste. Let us see. And in this you can see an two screws there. We have to remove the two screws. Then only we can pull our motherboard towards upside and remove this layer also. After removing this one, just disconnect all those cables. And for disconnecting this cable, you will see a small piece there. Just pull towards backside and remove the cable, and it's unlock. And you can see this is an like a copper like a copper liquid. This is the best one for reducing the heat. And we have cleaned all those things, and I fixed this drive, see, DVD drive. Just clean all those and refix it same like how we remove. And now we are going to fix all those screws. After fixing all those screws, just close it like that. So this is how to remove the PlayStation 5 and clean and fix all those things. I think so this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye, see you.